Unlocking the meaning of uniform. Hello dear viewers. Today, we are diving deep into a commonly used word that might be simple at first glance, but has multiple facets when we scratch the surface. That word is uniform. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meanings and how to use it. Let's get started. Uniform, as a noun, generally refers to a distinctive outfit that identifies its wearer as a member of a specific group or organization. Here are a few examples. School children might wear a school uniform, which helps in promoting equality among students. Soldiers wear military uniforms that signify their rank and allegiance. Employees in certain professions, like nurses or pilots, wear specific uniforms to indicate their role. When uniform is used as an adjective, it describes something that is consistent and unvarying. It indicates that there's no change, difference, or irregularity. Here's how it can be used. The uniform color of the wall means there are no patches or different shades on it. The teacher expects a uniform level of behavior from all students, meaning she expects the same behavior from everyone. There are some phrases and idioms related to the word uniform. Let's explore a few. In uniform, this means wearing the outfit that shows you are a member of a particular group or organization. For example, the soldiers were in uniform when they attended the parade. Out of uniform, not wearing the specific outfit when it's required. If a student isn't wearing their school attire, they are out of uniform. So, there you have it. Whether it's the consistent color of a wall or the outfit that distinguishes a police officer from a firefighter, uniform is a versatile word with rich meaning. We hope this video clarified its different uses and meanings for you. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!